Hello students, today we are going to start with the new chapter that is rocks and minerals. So students, we can see rocks all around us. Have you any time observed these rocks carefully? Do they look same? No, because there are many different types of rocks. So in this chapter we are going to study the types of rocks. And in today's video I will try to explain in details about rocks. So the learning objectives are water type, water rocks, types of rocks, formation of different types of rocks, uses of rocks. Students, have you ever wondered what the earth is made up of? Yes, earth is made up of soil and rocks. However, deep inside the earth, it is mostly rocks. So, if we see a piece of rock with a magnifying glass, we will see that it is made up of small grains called as minerals. Thus, we can say that minerals are the building blocks of the rocks. Its rocks may have one or more minerals of different colors. The rocks on the earth crust is divided into three main types. The first one is igneous rocks, second one is sedimentary rocks, third one is metamorphic rocks. So we will discuss in details one by one. First, let's move to igneous rocks. Students, do you know that the temperature deep inside the earth is very high? It is so high that the rocks over there melt. And these molten materials are known as magma. So you have learned in the previous class about magma, right? So magma gets pushed upward towards the surface of the earth where it cools to form solid rocks. And these rocks are known as igneous rocks. Igneous rocks derive their name from the Latin word ignis, which means fiery. So, igneous rocks are also known as fiery rocks. So, these are some pictures of different types of igneous rocks. You can see here in my screen, obsidian, basalt, pumice and granite. So, these are some different types of igneous rocks. So, igneous rocks are of different types depending on how the magma cools. Sometimes magma cools slowly under the earth's surface, but sometimes it spills out through the cracks in the crust or rushes out from a volcano as lava. So these lava cools quickly to form rocks. Now let us see different types of igneous rocks. First one is granite. So granite is formed when magma cools slowly under the surface of the earth. It is very hard. Granite is made up of three main minerals. They are feldspar, quartz and mica. So depending upon the minerals it contains, granite may vary in the color like white, grey, red, pink and black. Granite is very hard and used in buildings and steel. Next, pumice rocks. So pumice is light-colored igneous rocks that forms when frothy lava cools quickly on the earth's surface. So what is frothy lava? Frothy lava means lava that has froth, means bubbles. So as it cools, the gases in the froth remain trapped inside. Hence pumice looks like a sponge. It is used as a body scrubber and to polished furniture and floors. So students, you might have seen these pumice rocks in your house because it is used as body scrubber. So you can see in the pictures that is given in my screen. So this pumice rocks is, I think, very familiar to you all. Next one, obsidian. So obsidian is a dark colored igneous rock that is formed when magma cools quickly. It is glassy, so once obsidian rock is broken, it forms sharp edges. So ancient humans used obsidian to make tools. So these are all about different types of igneous rocks. Now we move to the sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed due to the deposition of small pieces of rock, soil, and plant and animal matter over thousands of years by the action of wind, rainwater, and flowing river water. So, rivers flowing down a mountain wear away rocks. Wind and rainwater also wear away rocks. So these small pieces of rocks are deposited at some other place. Layer over layer is deposited over a long period of time. So this repeated deposition hardens the lower layers, leading to the formation of sedimentary rocks. So you can see in this screen there are various types of sedimentary rocks. Now we will discuss one by one of them. First one is sandstone. Sandstone is formed when grains of sand get compressed and cemented together. So it mainly consists mineral quartz. It is commonly used in constructing buildings, and students' Red Fort that is present in India is also made up of sandstone. Next, conglomerate. So conglomerate looks like pebbles cemented together with minerals. They are formed when the lower layers of sediments consist of pebbles and sand. So this type of rocks are used in tiles. Next, shale. So shale is formed when layers of clay and silt harden. So shale are sticky soils which are found in the bank of the river. So it is smooth and mostly used to make cement, tiles and bricks. Next one, limestone. So limestone mainly consists of a mineral called calcite. Okay, and calcite is formed from the cells and skeletons of tiny sea animals. So when these animals die, their cells and skeletons settle on the seabed and forms limestone. So chalk is a kind of limestone. So limestone is used to make cement, bricks, etc. Next one, metamorphic rocks. So the third type of rocks. So metamorphic rocks. Metamorphism means a gradual change in form. So igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks change into metamorphic rocks over time due to high pressure and temperature. So the morph means change. Okay, so you can see there are different types of metamorphic rocks like gneiss, marble, slate, etc. Now we will discuss one by one. First one is marble. So marble is formed when limestone undergoes changes. So it can be carved and polished easily. It may be white, grey, pink, green and black in color. It is used to make statues and tiles. The Taj Mahal in Agra is also made up of white marble. Next one, slate. So slate is formed from shale. It peels easily into thin sheets. It is found in many colors. It is used to make writing slates, blackboards and roof tiles of buildings. Next one, gneiss. It is formed from granite. It is coarse grain and has irregular bands of different colors. So you have to remember. So you can see the pictures given here. So gneiss have irregular bands of different colors. It often glitters because it contains a shiny mineral mica. And last one is quartzite. So quartzite is formed from sandstone. It is hard and tough, and it is used to make monuments, statues, jewelry. So these are all about different types of rocks and their uses. So by this I would like to conclude my today's video. Thank you.